to the Sous Vide. We up in here. All right. So she's over here shopping for. You already know what it's gonna be looking like. She's double caked up. You already know.
Oh my God.
He said, "Oh my God." All right. All right. So this is a good spot. This got some nice stuff in here. What's going on, guys? Just doing a test on this phone right now. Zuri P, we out here back at it. Absolutely crazy. Got a bottle coming and everything. Just want to give it a test. Let's get it. Oh, there she go. We are at Walla Beach Club and it's litty. Got the baddies with us. They're all dressed. Man, this is a time to be alive. There she go. There she go. There she go. Yeah. All right, so guys, we out here. We got a bottle coming. Bottle coming. I don't know how to say bottle. I think it's like Bottega, something. You help me out in the comments. Bottle's coming. Bottle? ¿Cómo se dice bottle? Bottle. Grey Goose, bottle. How do you say bottle? Botella. So we got botella. Botella. Oh yeah, and we got oh, I didn't even tell them what hookah I wanted.